When it comes to video recording, top-notch software experience and overall showing the best smartphone in the hand, many users end up buying iPhones beyond their budget. Recently, Amazon is showing offers on iPhone 13 and a good number of people will also buy this smartphone in 2024. But the question arises, should you buy this iPhone 13 in 2024? You will get the answer in this video. Talking about the display, it comes with 6.1 inches XDR OLED display, which has vibrant color and the display looks very beautiful in hand. However, the multimedia consumption is not so great as the display is only 6.1 inches. Stereo speaker setup in this smartphone makes you happy. HDR content on YouTube looks excellent. You can play 4K 60 FPS HDR videos on YouTube. The battery life of this smartphone is also very good. Though it is a 2-year-old device, yet you can expect a very good battery life from iPhone 13. As the phone comes with a 15 Bionic chipset, you can expect solid performance from this processor. You can edit your videos easily at 4K 60 FPS. Plus, in multitasking, there is no problem. You can open as many apps as you want. iPhone 13 comes with 12 megapixel wide-angle camera, 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and at the front you will get 12 megapixel selfie shooter. All the three cameras are capable of shooting 4K 60 FPS videos and the quality of the videos is top-notch. Even in 2024, no Android smartphone can beat iPhone 13 in terms of videography. So iPhone 13 is a great option for image quality and videography. The phone is running on iOS 17.5.1 and also get two major updates. But the problem lies here. After iOS 16, many iPhone 13 users have faced the issue of display problem. Some faced the issue of green line, some faced the issue of black screen, and even some faced the issue of motherboard problem. When I updated my iPhone 13 to iOS 17.4, the screen of my iPhone 13 got black and only two green lines were visible at the top of the display. As my iPhone 13 was out of warranty, Apple did not replace this screen free of cost, and then after iOS 17.5, I updated again, and that time the motherboard got affected and I had to sell my iPhone 13 at around 8,000 rupees only for the dead smartphone to a local shopkeeper. So if you buy this smartphone in 2024, there was no chance that your iPhone will not get affected after software update. So what's the use of software updates if your phone gets affected? Apple will not take the responsibility of replacing the screen. So if you buy this iPhone 13, you cannot update to the latest version due to the problem in the motherboard. You have to keep this thing in mind. Now, you might be thinking that I am making false claims. So if you don't believe my words, you can definitely buy iPhone 13 in 2024 and then update to the latest version and you will see the results. Plus, the price of iPhone 13 on Amazon.in is much higher. If you want to buy iPhone 13, I suggest you to go for iPhone 14 instead because you will get more value for your money. If you buy iPhone 14 in 2024, you will get 1 year more software updates. So in that case, iPhone 14 is more realistic buy. If any iPhone 13 users is watching this video, please let me know in the comment sections below if you have faced any problem after update. Hope this video has become helpful to you. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.